Today we are going to do this fun yoga sequence, which will help us recharge our energy. With half moon pose, goddess pose, knot pose, cobra pose, plow pose, and happy baby pose. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am a half moon. The moon and stars accompany me with their soft light and give me strength and poise. Rest one hand on the ground. Lift your leg until it is parallel to the ground. Find your balance and gradually stretch both legs. Look at your hand above, stretching it towards the sky. I am a goddess. I feel confident and luminous. Open your feet wide apart and flex your knees. Raise your hands up and bend your elbows. Keep your back straight. I am strong and calm. I am a knot. Sit on the ground with your legs crossed. Place one leg over the other and rest the sole of your foot on the ground. Breathe out and twist your thorax and head towards the other side. How do I untie myself? I am a cobra. Lying face down with legs straight, place the palms of your hands on the floor at either side of your shoulders. Breathe in deeply. Raise your head, chest, and shoulders from the floor. I hiss like a cobra. This cobra is so curious that it looks at its tail, first over one shoulder and then the other. I am a plow. As the plow turns over the soil, making space for new plants, this pose teaches us that turning over what is old gives way to that which is new. Lie on your back and take your knees to your chest. Breathe out, raise your legs and hips, and lower them behind, letting your elbows rest on the ground, supporting the lower part of your back with your hands. Stretch your legs and try and rest your feet on the ground. I am a happy baby. This position gives us the tranquility and happiness of a baby. Lie face up on the floor. Bend your knees and draw them toward your stomach. Open your legs and grab the soles of your feet. Place your arms inside your legs. Then swing from side to side, massaging the spine. I am grateful for today's practice. Place your hands on your chest, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Namaste. If you enjoyed the practice, subscribe to our channel for more yoga with us. Find the links to our store in the description. There, you will find our yogi products. See you soon. Swing yoga.